Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today, I'm at Animal Kingdom heading into the Tree of Life Theater for the brand new Zootopia, Better Zoogether. Come on in, check it out. So guys, I'm gonna currently a 40-minute standby and I'm heading in. I'm gonna go in. Check out this new show, guys, with you today. I want to ask everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. I can promise you one thing. I will give you an honest review. I've got no problem doing that. Today at Animal Kingdom. I already went around this morning, did a vlog on all the decorations. If you're interested, you can check that vlog out. I wonder how long it's going to take. We'll see. I'm going to kind of check my phone here in a minute. We'll see what time it is. But it is a nice queue, as you can see all around me. It's beautiful. It is currently 10:25 a.m. Let's see. So 40 minutes. I should get in there about, let's see how accurate it is. Should be around, what, 11:05 by the time we get there? Let's see if it's quicker or slower. And then hopefully, I think I can record inside and show you guys a couple clips. But one thing I do on my channel is I always respect the policies of any park I'm in. So, but as far as I know, I should be able to. If that changes, we'll find out. And then you'll have a no spoilers vlog. It is not such a bad queue to wait in on a nice day like this because you have that Tree of Life all around. You have beautiful waterfalls there. Plenty of things to look at. Tree of Life's very unique. Very iconic, of course, to Animal Kingdom. The icon of Animal Kingdom. And it's got a bunch of different animals carved into it. Very cool in here. And we're moving along, guys. And almost kind of coming into the Tree of Life now. Going through this little tunnel. Coming out of the tunnel, see a couple elephants here. I don't know if you guys can see them. Very neat. Give you a full experience here on Medling World, guys. I'm going to ask everybody, please take a moment, subscribe if you haven't yet. Maybe you've been watching a few vlogs. It's free to subscribe. Just hit the button. It helps our analytics, helps YouTube push us out even more and more. Man, it's been so long, I can't remember like how long this queue is. So we're finally getting a little bit of the theming. Zoogether Day. Oh, that's cool. The Tree of Life right there. Very neat. So it's just like these artworks hanging up. They kind of hung them, it seems like, on the lights. Which is kind of strange for Disney to do that. Well, maybe because at night they can light them up, so I guess that makes sense. So, looks like I got in here pretty quickly. It definitely was not 40 minutes. Oh my gosh, the door's already open. I'll have to give you an update when I get in. I want to kind of come to the back anyway, because I want to... We didn't even get a pre-show or anything, so... They're already right in here. Yeah, back here would be good. Wow. Just in an estimate, I'm going to say maybe 15 minutes, if that. We're gonna slide down. Show you what it looks like in here, guys. So what it is the show empties and then the next show comes right in. You just fill up the seating. Yeah. So what's nice is back here I got like a space, so I won't really disturb anybody behind me. And I can just sit kind of like this and hopefully give you guys a couple shots. Let's see how it's gonna look once everybody sits down here. Oh yeah, I'll show you a little bit, a couple clips, guys. Let me get a time update. Guys, I'm ready. It took 12 minutes. So it posted 40, only took 12 minutes. Not so bad.
Now from Superstar
Oh, just got wet on that one, guys. Oh, that's funny. That's cool. I like it. Guys, I'm about 5 minutes in, and it's awesome, man. I'm loving the show. I really am. It's great.
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
Interesting.
Right now, it's got the smells, so it does have scent.
Gonna ruin the finale!
It's all very, very well done. I'll give you an immediate reaction, guys, as soon as I get out, but I liked it. It was really good. Really good. I'll get some more details. I like to give you a quick reaction right. I'm not even out of the theater yet. It was very good, man. I really did enjoy it. So I got in line at, what was it, 10:25? I'm already out. Took a little while to get out with the crowd and everything, and it's only 10:51. So 26 minutes, the whole waiting in the line, getting in, sitting down, watching the show. Then you have to wait and get out of the theater. It's busy, kind of congested there. Doesn't take long. And that's why I said that the one thing about me is when I go to a theme park show, something like that inside of a theater, I don't like them to be more than, that one I would say it's probably 9 or 10 minutes. And to me, that's a perfect length. And the whole time, it was very funny. It's kind of like good versus bad, right? They were trying to have their happy day, their Zoogether day. And then, of course, you know, it was trying to be ruined on the other side, kind of like the heroes and the villains almost, so to speak. Very nice, quick, basic plot, but kept your attention. Had all the elements of the 4D. It had some water splash. Excuse me, guys. Need a drink. Had the water splash. Had smell. Had some like bubbles. All kinds of things that kept me entertained. I think it's good for any age. You know, I guess if you were, 3 or older. I really liked it. I'm not even going to compare it to what was, to the Bug's Life, because it's just different. It's more modern. It's newer. It was good, man. I definitely think if you come and you saw a couple of the clips, there wasn't a ton of singing in it. There was one song at the end which I didn't show because I want to ruin the whole thing, and it just kept my attention all the way through because it was quick. So I definitely recommend it. I really did enjoy it. I think it's something that's going to be good here, and it is a very, for Disney, it made me feel happy, right? It had magic. Like when I was in there, like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. I would have, again, wish Roberta and Jake were with me. I think we all would have enjoyed it and probably had the same opinion. So guys, with that being said, I want to thank everybody for watching Medling World. Please subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Always keep it real on my channel. We'll always tell you exactly how I feel about anything that we do. And last but not least, see ya!